Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aditya. I am from Rampur, Bangladesh. Currently, I am a student. I am preparing for IELTS. I am really interested in improving my English skill, especially speaking. I enjoy learning new things and developing my everyday. That's one of the main reason I start this YouTube channel. On this channel, I will share interesting facts, motivational content, and study related tips that can help students like me. Besides that, I will also share some part of my daily life, such as dance, video, travel vlogs, and restaurant experience. So, this channel, I also want to practice my English and become more confident in speaking. I believe this journey will help me grow and content with more people. I hope you will support me and stay with my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.